99 miles. I've remembered to set the trip recorder this morning before I set off, and I'm just leaving Leyburn in the Yorkshire Dales. I came up the M1, the M18 and then the A1M, then picked up the I think it's called the A684 up to Leyburn. It's taken me, let's have a look now, about 1 hour 45 minutes to get up here. And today is forecast as being the hottest day of the year so far, so I thought I'd make the effort and get up here and have a ride round. I've plotted a route. I'm just riding over towards Reeth now, over the tops of the moors. Then I'm going to ride from Reeth up to the Tan Hill pub, and then I want to carry on down to a place called Barras, and then down to Kirkby Stephen. And then I've plotted a little run back towards Leyburn, so it'll be interesting to see how it all works out, whether I lose my way. I'm hoping it's well signposted. Most of the route I've ridden before, up towards Tan Hill anyway. So we've, as I say, it's according to the trip meter, it's exactly 99 miles from my house to Leyburn. I'm just going to take a nice steady run now. I remember this piece of road from the last time I was up here last year, and it's got one or two nasty little corners hidden in dips, so you need to take it pretty steady. You come over a rise like that and all of a sudden you find quite a sharp little bend. I think this is one here. Passing all the rangers. I think they must come up here from Catterick Camp doing the target practice. Yeah, I've come up on, it's been all motorway going up here, but it's been pretty quiet. The roads weren't too busy, and the old Bonneville's just plodded along in 6th gear. Just set the miles up, no problem. Thankfully I've got no one behind me, and at the moment no one in front, so I can go as steady as I like, and I'm not upsetting anyone. Just refilled the tank in Leyburn. Oh, this is the one I remember. That's the one. You come over that rise, and then there's this sharp left-hander. I think last year I came over there a little bit too quick and it almost caught me out. That's the other thing to keep your eye out for. Sheep. All over the damn roads up here usually. Oh yeah, here we are. Set off this morning at 3 minutes to 7 from our house, or my house, 3 minutes to 7, and say I'm up here now. It's only it's 8:57 now, so 2 hours to get in here, and I'm not rushed. Already supposed to be getting up to about 32 degrees today. This is exactly the same route I rode last year, except, as I say, when I get up to the Tan Hill pub, I turned off up there to a little junction back down off the hillside. But I want to carry on this time and see where that takes me to. I know it goes to a little place called Barras. I think it's Barras. But this must be one of the bridges that got washed out in the floods. Plenty of, I think they're partridges them, or they could be grouse, I don't know. Lots of little like game birds wandering about. Roads here over the tops there. All lovely little roads to explore, but unfortunately I'm only here for the day, so I haven't got the time. I suppose if you were staying up here you could have a right good explore. Yeah, look at the mess it made down here. They're still sorting it out.